to give vote of thanks on behalf of the graduates.
Governors of the University, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen, graduates. When I was first asked to do this speech, I was incredibly nervous. But being up here, talking to you today, is one of the many reasons I have loved university. Not only has it helped me to achieve a degree to be proud of, but it has helped me to grow as a person. I am sure I speak on behalf of all graduates when I say we are not the same people that we were in first year, and for that I'm truly grateful. Now I'll try and do this speech with as few cliches as possible, but this is the time of our lives, and you are the future, so go out there and follow your dreams. You'll look back on these days as among the best in your life, as it's not the end, it's the beginning. This is the first day of the rest of your lives. When I think about UCA, I think of the wonderful facilities and the support we had access to. But I also think about the student life that has helped us to grow as people. Whether you lived in university halls or in shared house, we soon discovered that no food or drink is safe. Someone will borrow it, and you will leave an angry note warning them off. I think of the bonding sessions you have with your new flatmates at 3 AM in the kitchen, and the constant last-minute rush to finish your work so you can go to the SU that night, just before you hand it in the next day, even though we always promised ourselves we wouldn't do it again. Waking up the morning after a night out to find you've managed to take home a traffic cone, or a street sign, or if you're my flatmates, someone's cat. University is probably the biggest roller coaster, but the fact that we're all here today goes to show that we've all grown and achieved something amazing. And now some thanks. I would like to thank the teachers who have put up with the constant near breakdowns to students the day before hand-in. Thank you for all the guidance you've given us from year one. Without you, we would not have the knowledge we have today, even if some of us think we know everything. Thank you to all the support staff who have helped us progress and helped us to achieve our full potential. Thank you to our parents and families who have given us love and support before we even started university and continued it throughout. Thank you for being there and encouraging us to keep going, even when we've been so stressed we wanted to pack it all up and come home. And lastly, thank you to some of the most important people in anyone's university experience. The people sat next to you, or a few rows down from you, or across the hall. Thank you to our friends, the people who have shaped who we are today. Don't let the world get in the way of those friendships. So well done, graduates. Our time at UCA may be over, but a world awaits, and I cannot wait to see how it responds to all your creativity.